anytime I have a intersection, I shouldn't say anytime, but a lot of the times when I have an intersection, I'll use Venn diagrams to work a problem. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's let this be the number of people who have a fax. Of course, some people have a fax and a printer. So I'm going to let X be the number of people who have a fax, Y be the number of people that have both, and Z be the number that have a printer only. But we're trying to find the number of people, how many people in a group of 50 own neither a fax machine nor a laser machine. So we got some people out here, and they don't own either one. So this is a Venn diagram. So based on what's given, I know X plus Y plus Z plus W, that would give me 50 because I have a group of 50 people. Now, clue 1, total number of people in group who own a fax or printer or both is less than 50. So that means X plus Y plus Z is less than 50. Tells me nothing about these poor people out here that do not own either one. So clue 1 does not work independently. All right, I'm going to use this same diagram to answer clue 2. Total number of people in a group who own both a fax and a printer is 15. Well, the number that own both is Y. That just tells me Y is 15. But does that give me anything about W out here all by itself? No. So now let's put those two, and even if you put Y equal 15 right here, you're not going to be able to solve for W. Okay, this is given information, part of the problem. When we're looking at clue 2, we just can't use clue 1. All right, neither one of them worked independently, so let's put them together. So if I put them together, I know X plus Y plus Z is less than 50. That gives me X plus 15 plus Z is less than 50. But does that help me find W? No, nothing works. Answer is E.